Our little adventure began in the morning in the charming town of Bol, where we boarded a boat bound for Blaca Bay, the starting point of our hike to the famous Blaca Hermitage, one of the most unique places on the entire Adriatic coast. The boat ride took a little over an hour, but luckily nobody had time to get bored. Between the laughter, jokes, storytelling and the occasional "Are we there yet?", the journey passed in no time. As soon as we arrived in the bay, our heroic Neno stepped into action. With the strength of a fisherman and the agility of a mountain goat, he pulled the boat toward the shore and made it possible for us, experienced youth, to disembark without accidentally becoming part of the Adriatic Sea. A true legend. From there, we began the moderately demanding hike toward the Hermitage, less than an hour of walking through peaceful rocky landscapes accompanied only by birds, crickets, and the occasional dramatic breathing on uphill sections. The story of Blaca Hermitage is as fascinating as the scenery itself. It was founded in the 16th century by Glagolitic priests fleeing the advancing Ottoman army from the area of Polica. Seeking refuge, they settled in a cave protected by stone walls. What began as a humble shelter slowly grew into an impressive monastery complex with multi-story buildings that seem almost impossible to build in such a remote canyon. The monks were not only hard-working farmers, but also scholars, printers, and astronomers. Yes, hidden deep in the rocky wilderness of Brač was once a renowned observatory. While today we struggle to get phone signal in remote places, these monks were literally studying the stars centuries ago. After exploring the Hermitage, we headed back down to the bay. That's when brave Ivanka decided that they still lacked a bit of excitement and went for a swim in the sea. The rest of us demonstrated equal bravery by entering the water approximately knee-deep before rapidly reconsidering our life choices. As we slowly sailed back toward Bol and the famous Zlatni Rat, we were greeted by windsurfers and kitesurfers dancing across the waves. With smiles still firmly attached to our faces, we ended another unforgettable day on beautiful Brač.